All right, so I just got my DynoJet pv3-2501c, and this works for the Skidoo snowmobiles for the 2019 through 2021 900 Ace Turbo, and then it also works for some of the Can-Ams, the Maverick X3 Turbo R, I think. Anyways, it's like the, I'll look it up, but it's like the ME7, or I'll look it up in a second, whatever ECU. So just gonna do a little unboxing. I'm pretty excited. I just had a birthday and treated myself to this. And I haven't posted a YouTube video in a while. It's my Milwaukee razor blade here, because I don't know, maybe I'm actually gonna, nope. Thought I was gonna have to go get a razor blade, but it's opening. When you're opening one-handed, it's a lot easier to use a razor blade, but all good. I know I'm not returning this thing, so the cat's pretty excited. That's Rossi cat right there, named after Valentino Rossi, even though she's a girl. It's a cute cat name, all right? All right, so oh man, they're all over. The real razor blade. All right, so there we go. As expected, the pv3 unit that's going to go on my sled, and then you get the cable, which these use the same cables for the snowmobile and the side-by-side that use the same ECU. So it's the ME17 ECU that's the same on the snowmobile or the Can-Ams. So, and then you get the USB cable and then all the other stickers and double-sided tape, or it's Velcro, and warranty card. So yeah, this will go on right on the handlebars. I'm gonna use the Wayland Speed mount, 3D printed mount, and this will go right on my handlebars with his tunes. I'm doing the 180 horsepower, 185 horsepower tune.